Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Khalid Zakaria. My registration number is 2318591. I am from Group F. So today I will be demonstrating the RM tool for our group project that is verification system. So the RM tool that we have selected is the Polarion. So this is the homepage of the Polarion. As you can see, this is the greeting to the verification system project. At the right side, we will see the project overview. So this is the lead of the project, the duration of the start and finish. So and also the status of our project. So this also record the activities that we have been done in our project. So you can see this guide is either updated or created and so on. And you can see also the left side is all the content of the project that we'll be having, the dashboard, the requirement, the design, risk, planning, development, test, and maintenance. So we will be moving on to the system requirement specification. So as you can see, this is the document type of how we store the system requirement. So in order to create the document, you can go to this document pages. Uh, then you can just click this new button at the left top and select the live document. You select this one because you want to create an online document to contain traceable artifact, requirement, testing, etc. So you can just put the title here, the type is system requirement, what the space, the word item type, and it's either transparent or duplicates to any document. So I will just showing you the one that we have made before. So this is the one. So as you can see, the content is have the introduction, the purpose, scope, preferences, general overview, the functional requirement, non-functional requirement, quality requirement, constraint, and business domain. So we're moving on to the functional requirement. So this is all the functional requirement that we have for our project. So this is the ID and also the requirement. So this is the non-functional, the quality requirement, constraint, and also the business domain. So in order to insert the new requirement, just have to uh, just go to this list and select the new requirement at the top. You can choose either you want the functional requirement, quality requirement, constraint, business domain. In order to create this one, you can uh, take the configure. So in configure, we just have to like create a new requirement that we want, yeah, like this, the system requirement. So we choose system requirement and just uh, put this as functional as a label. Sorry, functional. So just like that. So because we have done it before, so you just have to create the functional requirement. So you can just type what you want the new requirement, and then just save it. And yeah, we got the new requirement as I have its own ID, PN563. So as you can see at the right, it also have the information that we can put. So you can see that it have severity, status, category, and its author. So as you can see, the severities have the must have, should have, nice to have, and will not have for status because we had not done first, so we just put it at draft. So and also have perform actually review, perform actually reject. The category is either administration, application, core, dashboard, and also so on. So we just have to choose one category based on the requirement that we have met. So and then the author here. So because I do this with my account, so it appear with my name here. So as you can see, they have a link and it has parrots. It has parrot VN311 because it's under the functional requirement. So and also for this information, we also can modify it and what we want to look at the configure at this field. So as you can see, there's a severity, status, category, author, and ID. So if we want to look at more information at the document, we can also like we add the due date, we add the like the plan in and so on. Just like that. So because we just want a crucial information, we just have to like put a simple one or a more important one. The other way to store the requirement, if you don't want to use the document, so you can select it at the top. can see this is kind of like a tree view. So user can just like get at the what under the function requirement. You can just click the function requirement and just user can click the plus button here, and also just choose what you want to create. So you just want to create the system requirement document. So yeah, so just have to put the title in the requirement, and then choose the categories either administration. You can choose the automate out side automatic, severity, show have, and also so we just have to save. And yes, so we have the new requirement also just from this preview. So this the other way to insert the new requirement. So you can go back to the document. So it will also the same thing if you get to the constraint business domain and the quality requirement. You just have to choose it's either one the quality requirement constraint and business domain. Other than that, you can also trace all the work that we have been done. So add here. So you can see all the work that we have been done before, the activity have been recorded, the date, the time, and also the date here. So you have the action, so you can just click the show, and also you can also look at the timesheet here. So this is the timesheet, as you can see the requirement, also what the time, the date here. So you can just click at the date, so we can insert how many time that we have to, what the type, we add the analysis, implementation, recommendation, testings, and also what the comment we want to put here. So stress or our project also, we can go to the system requirement statistic. So at here we can see all the requirement that we have entered insert before. So 52 have been dropped and also one have been reviewed. So it based on what we have determined before. So this is all the system requirement trends in 30 days, as you can see. In the 30 days, 53 requirements have been inserted. This is also the same. So as you can see, with the we have categorized all the requirement before. So give the estimation at 6, score of 7, sensitive ratio, and so on. So all of this have been recorded as what have we been inserted before. In order to know which one have been rough or reviewed, so you can take a look at our specification before. So at the document or at the requirement, you can select one here. So you can see the status of it is draft. So if I take the performance review first, let's consider as done. So you can go back to the statistic. So if you want to skip first, so you can go back to the statistic. So here you can see that 2 have been reviewed and have been reduced by 151 have been dropped. So lastly, we can also download our document or export our document to PDF. Okay, just click to export to PDF. So we just check the requirement here. So we just export in this way, and then this is the final product of our document or the PDF format. So this is all of it. Then we must review the functional requirement or non-functional requirement. So that's all from us. Thank you for listening.